John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 1, 2, 3 easy steps. That's right. Alright, so today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this like angry looking dragon. Rawr. Yeah, really fun. Alright, so if you have your pencils and you have some paper, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a challenging and fun lesson at the same time. So I hope you enjoyed this one and you learned something. But what you could take home with this one is maybe you could take your dragon and change it up to your style again. Try 2 or 3 different styles. Keep the same perspective, the same angle, and just change maybe a bigger head, a smaller body, bigger horns or whatever. But change it up. Basically. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm going to say please subscribe to me and make some comments. I would love to hear some of your thoughts and process that you're doing, and feel free to share some of your pictures as well. As always, I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.